Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, March 19th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of all the ETFs that we follow. And a couple of things I forgot to mention yesterday in last night's video. First off, both the Dow and the transports hit all-time highs yesterday. Failed to mention that. And also, the other thing was the volume that we did in SPY yesterday. We ended up doing 115 million shares. Most of that coming on the downside. So that was longs getting out and shorts piling in. Now, as you can see, we're trading. Now, remember, we went ex-dividend today. I'm not sure of the exact amount. Right now, we're trading towards the bottom of yesterday's range. That's what the dividend included. A lot of times you get that dividend gap. So right now, it shows that the SPY is up 83 cents. So if you bought the SPY late in the day for the dividend, not only did you get the dividend, but you're also getting paid now on your investment. So if you get out of the stock, you made both on the dividend and on the trade itself. If you wanted the people who bought it during the day up here, when we had our POC and at the highs, you're certainly underwater, even after getting paid for the dividend. So let's go over destinations and a game plan. Remember, today's quadruple expiration. So we should do some heavy volume both on the opening and again on the close. And don't forget, we have the end of the quarter coming up also in a week and a half. So right now, upside destinations. If we don't gap lower, yesterday's low is 390.75. So right now, we'll give both sides. If we gap lower, M's low of 390.75 would be the first destination on the upside for the gap. Then don't forget we had the price probe, which was L's low of 391.97. Then we have the overnight high of 392.45. Single prints, 393.60, get filled at 86. And the afternoon rally high of 396.13. So we have a double distribution day right now. So from J's low to the day's high and from L's high to the day's low. Two separate days we have to treat them as right now. For the downside, if we don't gap lower, it will be 390.75. Then right now, our pre-market low is 389.83. And then we have that naked pocket we've been talking about at 389.68 from March 10th. 388.89 afternoon pullback low from the 10th. And 388.17 daily low. And you should have the other ones down to last week's low. So game plan for this morning. Well, right now, all of us are opening below our price probe. I'm sorry, I take that back. SPY and Russell are. Russell's triple Qs are attempting to take back the probe and get back to the top of their lower distribution where their single prints were. Remember, they were 10 for 10 wide. But as far as we're concerned, now ES, again, is going to be different than SPY. Okay, ES is not going to be down at M's low. We have to add back, again, I'm not sure if the dividend was $1.30, $1.50, it's somewhere around there. But whatever it is, say it's $1.30, which would mean the ES should be trading between around L's low and then between M's high right now. So right now they might be taking back the price probe. Not sure, right? Plus we have 75 minutes to go. So if that's the case, the next step in the ES, plain and simple, is to get back and attempt to fill the single prints and get into the upper distribution. Bottom line. For SPY, for us SPY traders, first things, we have to get above the price probe because even though it's only a dividend we're down here, it still doesn't matter. Same thing as if we gap lower. If we gap lower, even though it's a dividend gap, I'm going to take a short against the gap. So until we get acceptance inside yesterday's range, above L's low, where we can go attack the top of our lower distribution, we're going to be totally disconnected from the ES. Again, you'll be guided through this in CamelbackTrading.org's voice channel room. And while this is all three of these indices are live streamed all day. And then quickly on the charts, and again, we'll recap all the charts tonight. Here's the daily. It's now a 6-day balance. Yesterday's low is the bottom of it. Wednesday's high is the top of it. If we take out today's low and get accepted below this balance, well, then your next destination starts becoming 388.17, and then the 20-day moving average is 387.21 below that. See if they bounce off of that. If we're able to take out yesterday's high. Again, we're still in balance, and then we have a chance at the all-time high. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.